Hello, TypeToys here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to attach a HTML and CSS document in Adobe Dreamweaver. So let's get right into it. If you watched our latest video, we created a HTML and CSS document and saved it in a folder on our computer. Jump in right now and watch it if you haven't already. It's now time for us to attach the two documents so we can start coding. So we have our HTML and CSS file ready to go right here. Stand on the HTML page and go to the CSS Designer panel right here. You can find it in this right side of the screen. If you can't see this, you can go to Window and choose CSS Designer. Stand on the CSS Designer and go down to the sources and press on the plus icon and choose Attach Existing CSS File. Now we want to find our CSS file we want to attach, so press the Browse button and let's find it. Go into our folder and find the CSS page we created, then choose it and press OK. And as you can see, our file named Style CSS is now set to attached. Then press OK to confirm it. And the HTML and CSS file is now attached together. You can now go back to your CSS file right here and close it. Now when you want to see your CSS file, you can just press this button. You might notice that this wasn't an option before, but that's because we attached the file before. You can just press on it and it will go to your CSS file. And the HTML and CSS file is now attached together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.